Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha on Monday, Thulani feels defeated and betrayed by the justice system for losing critical evidence. Zimkita almost does the unthinkable. Uncle Zweli'S body is finally found. Zimkita almost does the unthinkable. On Tuesday, Zimkita nearly spills the beans of her darkest secrets. Thulani finally challenges Gqeberha. On Wednesday, Gqeberha forces Lulama to use her body to sweeten her deal with Babini. Zimkita decides to send Ntando away. Nontu sides with Msimelelo. On Thursday, Lulama is emotionally broken by what she has to do, while Gqeberha is happy that his plans are working out. Thulani and Nobomi receive a lifeline from an unlikely source.